Now we are going to code something today. Okay, let's do something different today. Shall we ask all of you to do some coding now in the class? Shall we do that? Let's do that. Okay, let's do a very simple program first. Let's create the symbol of pi. Okay, open Havi Code now. All of you open Havi Code, and I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Try to draw pi symbol in Havi Code. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. Let's see who does the best and who comes the first. Yes, Abhiram?
Finished, sir.
Finished? Oh, fast, just in 1 minute. Keep the link with you, or and send the link with me, with me in the personal message.
Yes, sir.
So Sia is done. Yes, Havisha?
Can I do after the class?
Okay, fine. Why?
Because I know what pi logo is,
Okay.
which shape.
Oh, you don't know. Nice. Okay, fine. Nice question. I will share the screen. Here it is. Okay, or you can make it simple like this, or even artistic like this. Okay, this is pi logo. So now 5 minutes are over for everyone. So far we have received the work from three learners, Abhiram, Sia, and Jen. I will show you work done by all of them. Wait. See, first, I'll show you the work done by Abhiram. All of you can see here, and then you can do it yourself as well. Oh, now Dhruv has also shared, it seems. Okay, the fourth is Dhruv. Here is work from Abhiram. Okay, so here is the work from Abhiram. He has used the print command and then repeat statement 7 times to print this thing. He kept the space in between and prepared this pi logo. So here is the logic. He used the print repeat command and print this 7 times with new line, and that way he made the pi symbol. Then the work from Sia. Sia also used the same thing. She used the repeat block 10 times, and she also tried to give the curves. Very good, Sia. Nice efforts. Then we have from Jen, and Jen has a different approach. She used, instead of the star, as like Abhinam and Sia used, Jen used the lines, the underscores. These are the underscore symbol in your keyboard. She used the underscore, and she also wrote the pi symbol in the print statement here. Nice, very good approach, Jen. You are always creative. Good. And last but not least, from Dhruv, who got the image from the internet and used that image as the background image. That is a trick, but anyways, fine, Dhruv. So big hands for all of this, and those who did after this, like Arohi just shared the link now, and many of you are already doing. So it doesn't mean that you lost. It's just a matter of time. We are short of time, so we cannot wait for everyone. I'm sure you all will do this, and you can share the link with me. We'll upload this on your page. Okay, do it. So big hands for all those who have finished and all those who are finishing in upcoming few minutes. Okay, nice. Last thing, the pi symbol that I did. My work is here. Here is the code, and here is the pi symbol. I didn't use the loop. I could have used it actually. See, Abhiram and Sia has done even smarter job. They have done the smarter job than me. They use the loop. I didn't use the loop, and that's why my code is longer. But they used the loop and made the program shorter. Very good, Abhiram and Sia both. Even Arohi, I guess. But then at the last line, I played with the space, and here I created the curve. Do you see that? Right? Here you see the curve that we see normally in the pi symbol. See, like this, it's coming straight here, and then it's a curve, and it's a then again straight and a curve. Okay, see you again in the next camp. Happy Holi, safe Holi, bye. Happy Holi, so many of colors for all of you, bye.